Okay, so it's August 19th, a Sunday. Got a couple hours. I'm going to work on the Goldwing, prepping to pull the engine out. The goal for today is to get the exhaust and the crash bars off and then start working on the carburetors. As I understand, those items have to come off along with draining the fluids and pulling the radiator off. Don't expect to have a lot of problems with that. The bike's been restored here or put back on the road. A lot of those parts are taken apart before. Engine's never been out as far as I know, but we'll see. New stator should be here on Monday. Hopefully to have the engine out next weekend and get the stator installed. Anyway, I'll share a little video with you as we go through this, and hope to have this thing on the road here within about 2 weeks. That's okay, I got that 450 there to ride in the meantime. Okay, the exhaust is out. As you can see, what I learned about this, or should say relearned, because this is the second time I've had the exhaust off this bike. Just loosen everything up first. That's the trick. You loosen it up, get everything ready to roll out, to pop out, and then just start wiggling things around. I got the pipes off, crash bars are out. I use jack stands to hold up the back. Okay, so it's getting on to 3 o'clock now. I don't know if I'll start on the carbs, but I feel like I got some work done this weekend. Bike's pretty stripped down, as you can see. I guess the next step is getting the carbs out and drain. I'll have to wait that for next weekend though. So I'm going to go ahead and clean up, edit this video for you guys.